In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a first name to your emails in Constant Contact. Personalizing your emails can significantly enhance engagement, helping you connect more authentically with your audience. Including a recipient's first name makes your communication more relatable and increases the likelihood that your audience will open and read your email with genuine interest. So let's dive right in and learn how to do this step by step. To get started, open your email editor within Constant Contact. This is where you'll be able to craft your message and set the stage for effective communication. Once in the editor, you need to click into the specific text block where you'd like the first name to appear. This helps in setting the location for where your personalization will be most effective. Now, with the text block selected, place your cursor exactly where you want the first name to be added. Ensuring correct placement is crucial because this is where your personalized touch begins. If you can visualize it in your email, this step often means placing it at the beginning of a sentence or perhaps after a friendly greeting. Next, from the floating toolbar positioned right above the editor, you'll notice an option labeled Insert. Go ahead and click it. This toolbar is a handy feature that provides convenient access to various editing and formatting tools, making it easier to customize your emails directly. Once you've clicked Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to customizing the recipient details, a vital aspect in personalizing emails. From this drop-down, you'll want to select Contact Details. This takes you to another list that holds all the variable components you can incorporate into your emails, making the email seem like it was crafted personally for each recipient. Now, from the list of contact details, choose First Name. By selecting this, you're asking Constant Contact to automatically pull each recipient's first name from your contacts when the email is sent, creating that personal touch. Imagine the difference between seeing "Hello" and "Hello, Mike." It makes the reader feel seen and acknowledged. Finally, simply click Insert to add this personalization tag to your email. This tiny tag will do the behind-the-scenes work once your campaign is live, seamlessly integrating individual names into your message and ensuring each recipient feels like you've written the email just for them. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your email to include the recipient's first name, adding a personal and engaging touch. Personalization like this not only showcases a professional level of care and attention to detail, but also aligns with modern digital communication best practices. Feel free to use this technique in future campaigns to foster more meaningful connections with your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!